About to go to the mountain before my phone dies and roll down the hill. So this is caught footage 3. Come on. Huh? What? You said in a minute? My phone about to die.
Hello? Hello?
Now I get all this on YouTube. I mean, like, I'm about to go real down the hill. Uncle Aaron, can you video me rolling down the hill?
Hold on, man. Here, take her up the hill.
Rocky, come on.
Yeah, can you hear me, man?
Come on, Mama. Let's go up the hill.
I can hear your damn car and shit. That was supposed to step out in there or
Come on. Jesus. Be up the hill. I feel like... Uncle Aaron. You gonna record me, rolling down the hill?
something? You ain't even holding the damn dog.
Look.
Jalen?
Huh?
Go ahead. Why you scream like a girl? Get him, Spark. Get him, Spark. All right, it's about to rain, man. We gotta go back.